What's up, everybody? So today we're back in the garage with the Subaru. Last video you guys saw, we got the rear subframe and all that stuff taken care of. But unfortunately, we made quite a bad discovery there with these strut towers. Now the rear strut towers, apparently this is a common thing I didn't know about, but they do like to rust. And in our case, we have quite a bit of rust back there. Now I will say, it's not as bad as I've seen on some of them that are online, especially in the Foresters. Subaru Foresters, I didn't realize those had gotten so bad. But yeah, the Imprezas, they do like to rust out in the strut towers. So I think before we jump into getting that taken care of and fixed, I want to go through and just completely strip this car down, because if we're going to do those patches, I want this interior just to be redone. So let's get the carpeting pulled up, let's get the dash and everything pulled up, let's get the front seats, the interior trim, all that stripped out, because I want to make sure to check over the floor pans, just the interior itself, just see if there's any other hidden rust or damage that needs to be taken care of or addressed. Because if we're going to go through and do this patching and welding, I want to do it all in one go. The other thing I want to look at is the exterior. So I think I'm going to go ahead and pull up the rocker panels, the rear bumper, all those pieces, just because those are two common areas to have rusting issues as well. These rockers, quarters, which we know our quarter panels are rusty, and the rear section of the car. Like, at least it looks like most of those, like the impact bar and stuff. But I just want to check out the underside of that bumper. So we'll get all that stuff pulled out today. So I guess let's go ahead and jump into this and just see the results. So let's start off with the seats and carpet. We got a subwoofer in here. It's kind of cool. So far for the exterior now, we've gotten the bumper and the taillights off, so I think we'll go ahead, finish off the interior. Let's get the dash out of there just because I just want to have full access to the floor pan. As you guys saw, the floor pan does look pretty rusty, and then we'll focus back onto the exterior of the vehicle. I think we'll go ahead and pull the side skirts off because I just want to see if the rockers are bad. I know I put those side skirts on, I don't know how many years ago it was now, but I want to make sure there's no rust underneath there, because as you guys are discovering, there's quite a bit of rust in this car, from the strut towers, the floor pan, the quarter panels, all that stuff, which, yeah, we'll just keep diving deeper and deeper into this car. Well, that's a new discovery. You guys can see there, our rocker on this end here is pretty shot. Got a little crazy with the screwdriver, started digging away at the rust just to see how far back it goes. So I think we'll go and get that knocked off of here all the way. But yeah, it is more fun discoveries. So we got this all out and everything. And then I kind of got a little bit more crazy here. I started chipping away at the quarter panel. Like I said, I don't care about these quarter panels. I can cut these off. I want to go wide body with this thing. So I just want to see how far back this goes. Obviously, none of this matters. It's all going to get ripped out anyway. But yeah, I just want to see, just start digging at it. And that's the current status there. I went ahead, did the driver's side too. It's a little bit worse. I'm going to get that side skirt off too, but I think it's going to be in the same condition. So yeah, we'll just keep chipping away. Definitely shouldn't have been filming this side because I've got no rocker whatsoever. I mean, you guys can see there, completely rotted up there. This is just gone. And then if you guys look here, these pieces here, clearly this was a patch panel of some kind. So this has been repaired at one point. But yeah, this one here definitely. I mean, you guys can just see the shape of it and everything just on its own. Layer of body filler and stuff that's setting on there, especially on this one. You can see the body filler just setting. That's like basically a whole chunk of body filler. But yeah, there is nothing here. That is just one open hole there. So I don't know. I gotta give it some thought here. This is getting worse and worse the more I dig into this. So since we discovered that the driver's side had a patch panel, I decided to look at this one a little bit closely, and it's obviously a patch panel too. So I took my belt file that I just got and decided to go along here just to see how much of this is body filler. And yeah, it keeps going. So apparently this whole rocker's been touched at some point. Yeah. You guys can see back inside there, it's all rusty. So, as you guys have seen so far, we got everything pretty much stripped out of this car to discover any more hidden damage or rust, and we definitely found more. We got the floor pan on the driver's side that needs to be replaced, clearly the strut towers from the last video, the quarter panels, the little dogleg section between the quarter and the rocker panels themselves, at least the passenger side seems to be somewhat decent. It seems to just be that rear section. The driver's side seems to go from the rear section to about the middle of the doors where it's all kind of split and separating. So yeah, this is going to need a lot of patchwork and a lot of welding and replacement panels and stuff. So I don't know. Currently I'm stuck between two options, whether we do a part out or we go with a full restoration. Now, if we go the full restoration route, I'm almost tempted to scrap the idea of the 5-speed swap on this 2.2 liter. I feel like that's kind of unnecessary. I mean, we've got it completely removed all the way to here, that we might as well source ourselves a running, driving WRX, whatever, 02 to 07, and get one that's like worse condition than this, but has good enough parts to swap into this. Because I'm going to need the rear subframe, all the arms and stuff for the back there. We're going to need, obviously, if we're going to do that, we need the whole drivetrain on that. The wiring harness to merge it all. Like I said, we got the wiring harness exposed in this car currently, so we could do the merge on this one at this moment. But yeah, like I said, it's going to be a lot of work if we do decide to go the restoration route, but I don't know. I'm conflicted exactly what I want to do at the moment. Like I said, we got two options, and you guys can let me know in the comments below what you guys think I should do or what the best idea is. So throw it down in the comments below, let me know. But otherwise, I think we're going to go ahead and end up the video here, and we'll make our decision here in the next video and see what we're going to do next. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Clearly, we'll have more stuff coming for this car if we do decide to go that route. Otherwise, we will jump into another project. So stay tuned for all that stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one.